In travel news for March 6, 2023, we talk about the recent surge in pricing for cruises, as well as land-based travel in the Asia-Pacific region. And we talk about United Airlines' new Chief Trash Officer. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. United Airlines has recently appointed Sesame Street's Oscar the Grouch as their new Chief Trash Officer to promote sustainable aviation fuel as an alternative to traditional jet fuel. The airline has invested more in sustainable aviation fuel production than any airline in the world. As part of the new Sustainable Aviation Fuel campaign, Oscar will appear in a series of promotional spots to educate travelers of all ages about the benefits of this fuel and the potential to combat climate change. The integrated edutainment campaign will feature short films, interactive social first elements, and colorful spreads in United's Hemisphere magazine. The airline is also giving customers the opportunity to contribute to the Sustainable Flight Fund to support startups aiming to decarbonize air travel through advanced research and new technologies. There is a resurgence in tourism in the Asia-Pacific region, due largely to the lifting of pandemic restrictions and the return of Chinese travelers. As a result, hotel rates in the region have reached all-time highs, with prices increasing by more than 10% since 2022. Hilton Hotels and Resorts revealed that average daily rates increased by 8% in the fourth quarter of 2022, while Marriott and IHG announced increases of 13% during the same time. The rise in hotel rates was most significant in destinations such as Bali, Bangkok, Phuket, and Singapore, where rates rose by over 45%. Adara also revealed that Chinese travelers are spending more on hotel rooms, with fewer travelers booking rooms under $100 a night. However, the surge in luxury travel has also led to skyrocketing airfares, with prices doubling or even tripling in some cases. Despite the high demand for cruising, cruise lines are still struggling to make a profit due to the soaring cost of fuel, labor, food, and interest rates. To mitigate these costs, cruise lines are exploring opportunities to reduce expenses and increase revenue, including reducing services and raising prices for optional items such as drink packages and specialty restaurants, and service fees. While service cuts aren't likely to impact demand, guests are experiencing sticker shock with rising add-on prices. Drink packages and specialty restaurant surcharges have increased significantly, and service fees have gone up by more than 10% for most cabins. Cruise lines must balance customer expectations and their bottom line to remain profitable. Despite these challenges, cruising still offers great value, making it an excellent choice for travelers seeking a memorable vacation experience. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends. Its potential to combat climate, promote sustainable aviation fuel. The integrated edutainment. The rise in hotel rates was most significant high, with prices. Adara also as a result,